Baby, without I wouldn't know what to.
What's going on, guys? Alright, so as you can tell of half this title of this video, I got married. I got married to my best friend last month. It was an amazing wedding. We got married at the Infinity Ovation Yacht, and we also had our first look at the park, which it was just breathtaking. I was blown away. It was just an amazing, amazing experience. After the wedding, we went to Cabo. Oh, what an experience. I mean, we ate so much. It was so much food. It was all-inclusive. And just the whole entire experience, the feeling of it was just an amazing, amazing place. It was so relaxing. We were able to do a lot of photography shoots. We were able to do a lot of B-roll. We were able to just grab a lot of footage from the place and just relaxing, having fun. It was just amazing. I mean, if you've never been to Cabo, give it a shot, seriously, because you will absolutely love it. But anyways, with the wedding and the honeymoon, a lot of it was shot with the Sony A7 III. And usually I shoot an S-Log 2 or 3. Sometimes, a lot of times I'll shoot in Cinema 4 as well. But I've never really shot in the HLG profile. This is a hybrid profile that's supposed to give you like the benefits from both, like a color profile compared to a log profile. And I just never really got my hands on it, and I thought, hey, why not do it on the most important day of my life? It is a very, very nice log to work with. However, my experience with it, and I want to share this with you, and this is mainly how this video is going to tie in together, is my experience with it when I was importing it to Final Cut Pro 10. So when I imported the HLG 2, and that's the gamma profile in here, and the color space, I believe it's, yeah, it is 709. It's not 2020, it's 709 color space. And when I imported this footage into Final Cut Pro 10, it was just blown out. I mean, I'll show you this right now. The footage was absolutely, I was trying to figure out what happened. Did I do something wrong? How did it, it absolutely did not look like this when I was shooting. What happened? It's all blown out. Threw it in Premiere Pro, same thing. DaVinci Resolve, what the heck? So with Final Cut Pro, what I found was you actually have to go into the settings, go into underneath color override, and you have to select 709 within that profile setting. And then it converts it back to the actual grade that's actually supposed to look like, so that way you can grade it properly. A lot of people that I know did not know this as well, so I figured why not just make a quick video out of it. If you're working with HLG2 or any kind of HLG gamma profile, and you're working in the color space of 709 within the camera, and you import into a program like Final Cut Pro 10, it's important that you actually do go to the settings, you go into the color override, and you select Rec 709. This will convert the image back to the actual way it's supposed to look for you, so that way you can grade it easily. It's a lot easier color grading with the HLG than it is with the S-Log or even the Cinema 4 that I used to use. Some of you may disagree with me, and I understand that because S-Log is a beautiful log to work with. But just HLG2 is something I wanted to try, and I'm liking it. And when I work with my Sony A7 III, I think I may continue to use it. Not only did I want to share my honeymoon and wedding experience with you, I also wanted to share my experience with grading the HLG2 profile and how I got around to those highlights being so blown out and bringing it back to a proper grade, so that way it's easier to grade in the program. Well, that's it for me, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe, and besides that, I'll catch you guys in the next one.